Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. I want to talk about Father's Day for a minute because I think we need to have a conversation. Mother's Day gets brunch reservations booked 6 weeks out, and that's wonderful. Moms deserve every bit of it. But Father's Day is an afterthought. Yeah, you might see a few steakhouse specials, maybe a card rack at the drugstore, and that's about it. And I don't think that that's right. Dads deserve the same level of attention. They deserve a table that was thought about, food that was planned, and a meal that says someone actually cared enough to put in the effort. So that is exactly what we are doing today. We're giving Dad a full inside out Father's Day. Every dish has a twist, something unexpected, something that makes you stop and say, wait, how'd they do that? Let's start with the star of the table, inside out buffalo chicken. This is a whole spatchcock chicken with crystal hot sauce injected directly into the muscle using a meat injector. Every single bite has that tangy, spicy buffalo flavor from the inside out. The outside gets a cayenne and chipotle crust, and you serve it with homemade blue cheese dressing. It is absolutely incredible, and it is unlike anything he's ever had before. Now, Dad needs something to drink. If he's a bourbon man, the watermelon fix is made for him. It's watermelon rind juice mixed with bourbon in a whiskey glass. It's cooling. It is a real kick, and it is seriously good. If you prefer something without alcohol, or you want a drink that the whole table can have, the rose lemonade is gorgeous and refreshing, and nobody feels left out. On the side, air fryer twice baked potatoes. You make these entirely in the air fryer so the kitchen stays cool. They're creamy, they're rich, and once they're loaded, they practically take care of themselves. To keep things on the lighter side, a Caesar salad made with shaved Brussels sprouts. Run them through the food processor in minutes. The salad is crisp and nutty and holds up beautifully next to a rich main dish. It's healthy, and yes, healthy matters even on Father's Day. And for dessert, inside out almond joy cake. The chocolate is on the inside, the outside is white. It's everything Dad loved about that candy bar since 1975, built into a showstopper cake that is going to get quite a reaction. Every single recipe is on the Good Plate. The link is in my bio. Go make Dad feel like he matters, because he does. Let's talk about what to get Dad, because he deserves a gift too, not just a card. And here is some very good news. Prime Day is July 23rd. So if Father's Day has already passed and you're shopping a little late, or you want to treat him again, everything I am about to show you is on Amazon, and some will be on sale. First, a marinade injector. You need one to make the inside out buffalo chicken. And once Dad has one, he's going to use it on everything. Steaks on the grill, pork shoulder, turkey at Thanksgiving. You could see the recipe on the Good Plate. It is one of those tools that quietly changes the way you cook. With a watermelon fix, a spinning whiskey glass. You put the ice in, give it a spin, and chills the drink without watering it down. If Dad is more of a wine person, an electric corkscrew opens a bottle in one motion with no effort at all. Pair it with vacuum wine stoppers. You pump the air out, wine stays fresh. And nobody has to wrestle a cork back into the bottle ever again. For the workroom, or anywhere he needs more outlets, a power strip extender that plugs directly into the wall. Compact, sturdy, and it solves the problem of never having enough plugs right when you need them. And finally, pizza scissors. Yes, they are real, and yes, Dad will use them constantly. They cut without scratching your pan. You get exactly the size slice that you want. All of these products are available on Amazon, and the links are in the Father's Day newsletter at The Good Plate. Prime Day is July 23rd. Plan accordingly. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. Remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!